Welcome home, everybody. Magical vacation memories. We are staying at Old Key West tonight. Studio 6425 near Hospitality House. So, 2 queen beds. Our little tiny balcony overlooking the pond on the golf green. I've been in this building previously, it was many years ago. We were on the main floor, and I guess the people that would stay there generally would feed all the wildlife, because we would have rabbits and other such critters coming up to the room and the balcony to eat. So in here we got the TV tuner and the DVD player. That'll be the lock-off side for the 2-bedroom lock-off. You got your safe, old school safe with a key. 2 vacuums, broom, storage, ironing board, an iron in here, ironing board, luggage rack, washroom. All of your H2O products on the wall. Big green shower style shower head. Lots of towels. Your kitchenette. So as per the usual, got your plastic cutlery, some coffee cups and plastic cups for drinks, your toaster, your coffee maker, your microwave, and your fridge. So fridge and freezer. There's the freezer portion. And garbage, paper towels, dish soap. And the new little tablets, the Amazon tablet that they've put in the room now. I got Minnie on the beach. Little seashells on the handles for the door pulls.
And the drawers down. And the drawers here too.
Yeah, and on the dresser drawer, starfish. Oh yeah, so they've added this. Pardon me. Some regular plugs and USB. Those are new because they were not there when we were here last February, staying at Old Key West. And then you've got your art, Magic Kingdom, Honolulu, Miami, Tortuga, and Nassau, and Key West. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below and we will be happy to answer them for you. This is the studio, standard studio, Old Key West near Hospitality House. Thanks for watching. Welcome home.